Hi guys, Dan's Dollars here. Here we go then. We are back with the results of Guess Dan's Coins. There was 2 coins up for guessing over the course of the last 3 days. They were both commemorative 50p coins. They both had exactly the same backing as well. A lot of people did guess the 2019 as the Sherlock Holmes. Again, unfortunately, it couldn't be that coin because of the way that the letters and numbers are around the outside. So definitely do keep a close eye on that. The 2019 coin was a Paddington. It was Paddington outside the Tower of London. And the Beatrix Potter coin was the first in the Beatrix Potter set. It was indeed the Beatrix Potter anniversary. So before we move on to the daily and also the yearly leaderboards, let's take a little look at the 2 coins that are going to be up for guessing over the next 48 hours or so. You will have until 6 p.m. on Friday to get your guesses in. Both of the coins then are commemorative 50p coins. Both of them can be found in UK circulation. The coin on the left from 2017 is a Beatrix Potter coin, but I'm not going to tell you anything else about the coin on the right. You will have to try and figure that one out yourselves. So get those guesses in the comment section by 6 p.m. Friday. You'll get a point for each of them that you get correct, a maximum of 2 points. Let's take a look to see who scored points though over the last 3 days. Smithy7890, Yellow Lighthouse, Chloe, Annabelle, Sam Hunter, all scoring 1, and only one man has scored 2. Andy Vickers at the top of the leaderboard. 54 names now on the monthly one, and let's take a look at the top 20. We've got Jimmy, Alan and Debbie on 13, Sam Hunter 17, Chloe's on 18, Kenneth and Tuna Donuts are on 19, Kerry and Fish on 24 along with Wally Robson, Tracy Ann's on 33, just outside the top 10 is Norman Graham on 39, Andy Vickers, 4-point gap now to Norman in 10th, 9th we've got Martin Dack. It's so close at the top though, Smithy Yellow Lighthouse tied 7th, Alan and also Dylan on 48 tied 5th, Curtis and Ian Strudwick are tied 3rd, Terence Days in 2nd, and Squirreling Coins has still got the 2-point gap at the top. So again, can anyone close that gap on Squirreling Coins? There is only 6 points now between the top 8, which really is incredible. And we have got Andy Vickers as well in 10th on a roll. Good luck then with your guesses over the next 2 days. Still plenty of videos to come. Stay safe, and as always guys, thanks for watching.